Miracuves solutions. We are hereby offering you our custom developed product, a very unique proposition, what we call as Agrimove Clone. This solution is out of the world. This does what big platforms like Kisan Connect and Bharat Fresh and a lot of other things does. And we have integrated the power of all in one. So this is something which connects farmers, buyers, transporters, drivers, operators, warehouse, everything together. So you have all in one place to manage everything, be it your cold chain, your logistics, your farm crop estimations, your analytics, your suggestions, your movements, your selling, your bidding, everything together. So you can look, this is the landing page, and we have lot to look inside, and we're gonna go a little quick because it's gonna be a very long one. So this is the actually the main platform video. As you can see, this is like you can start with any role of yours, and we are gonna start with the farmer role. When you log in as a farmer, you're greeted with a dashboard which has everything, starting your pickups to your requesting pickups, collections, shipment tracking, as well as your complete overview where it says what all the situation is, your harvest execution command view, as well as your farmer process control, your navigation processes, your operation singles, your quick controls, your execution and quality deck, your pickup, which we already talked about, your collections, your total weights and everything, then your marketplace, shipments, traceability, you can trace any lot, and the chain lifetime and everything you get to know, your earning and alerts, harvest planning you can also do here, quality and grading, your cold chains, all the compliances, control center for managing most of the things, your crop advisory, profile control, your other settings and integrations with your mandi prices, which is enam, which is there, wealth advisory from IMD, as well as from cold storage from agri cold, and soil testing from agri soil, and crop advisory and export photosynthery. Everything we have it here. Your webhook endpoints with pickup requests and defaults and everything, and what all you talk about, and your origin cluster and everything, your support, your history, your input markets, your weather risk criteria, your carbon credits if any, your labor desks, your storage hub, your export docs, finance center, your cooperative governance and votes, your pest scouting, your water ledger, soil health managements, traceability passport, and your crop insurance. Everything in here. There is more beyond this. You have your complete profile management, your security and access, your notifications, your preferences, your integrations, which we already talked about, your audit log, and your help and support. Everything tied up together, working as a full platform. It supports multi-language, multi-currency, no problem. Now we'll step away from this role and move towards the other one, that is gonna be the buyer. So for the buyer also, you can see the overview, the invoices and the active orders and the shipments in place, and your order history, tracking, POD, invoices, tracebacks, analytics, risk monitor, procurement board, communications, account controls, market watch lists, profile, settings, support, history, vendor scorecards, contract desks, credit control, sustainability, then you have lane planner, quality lab, tender board, insurance claims, commodity index, portfolio risk, contract like cycle, inbound scheduling, supply diversity mechanisms. Then again you have your profile management, security and access, and notification, which is standard. But for integrations they are different. We have ERP sync with SAP, we have payment gateway with Razorpay, we have quality lab assurance with QC, EDI trading partner with TrueCommerce, and contract lifecycle with our own custom one, and spending analytics can be done with Power BI also. This is for the advanced buyers. Now moving on, let's us talk about the transporter. Transporter has his own overview with complete portal, the complete dispatch control with load boards and all the bids which has happened, and what are actives, trip assignments, fleets and payout, and real-time map tracking and everything with route controls and everything, fleet payouts, dispatch desk, compliance, lane analytics, control tower, settlement ops, route profitability is also calculated, profile, settings, support, history, maintenance, and you also have fuel desk to give you an idea how much fuel consumption is being happening around. And you also get all the operational ledgers if there's a fasting mismatch, and everything is logged. Driver rosters, lane contracts, claims, telematics, customs, partner networks, route optimizer, which is very advanced system and everyone knows it's quite a need for today. Border queuing, fuel optimization, asset tracking, emission reports, and the standard set. But the integrations are very advanced. You have telematics, FleetX, GPS integration, FASTag, NPCI integration, GST and EV bill integration, fuel card, IOCL fleets, and you have custom driver compliance and Agrimove spot for load board and driver compliances. Moving further, we have the driver. The complete sync history, offline and offline, because we understand that not every time you get a network across the globe. So you have the complete syncing portal where you have your active trip histories, your payouts, your PODs, your mission controls, your route intels, your incidents, your compliances, your profile settings, support, emergency, timelines, daily checklists, your REST compliances, because that's also important in a lot of countries, expense wallets, your training, load secure, your feedback, your rewards, your document vault, your cargo temp, your route insights, delivery windows, weighbridge reports, and incident reports as well. Now we'll move to another important segment, that is warehouse, and after that we'll go to the admin. There are others also which you can check. So this is the warehouse with a complete record that what all is coming in, what all is going out, and what all is there. That's the most important part around it. So you can see all the inbound things, all the picking ups, all the scan ops. You can scan the barcodes using the mobile app and the PWA as well, which can be directly connected over the Bluetooth. You have cycle counts, you have docks and zones, you have history, you have profiles, settings, support, slottings, labor plans, yard control, cycle counts, automation, safety, inventory health, pack stations, labor planning, return processing, cold zones. And we do mean by complete cold zones. And if we get to the profile management part, again, if you go to the integrations, we have AgriWS, our custom one. You can use barcode Zebra. You have IoT sensor with AgriSense, yard management with AgriYard, and ERP inventory again with SAP B1. Last but not the least, the most powerful machine of all, the admin. Now here in the admin, you have the complete control of the platform. You know the everything. You know the gross GMV, total users, active trips, open alerts, KYCs, incidents, platform modules, everything. You control everything from here, from users to KYC, to platform alerts, to activity feeds, to command centers, to incident reports, to finance control, to platform configurations, to OPS SLA, to moderations, to profile settings, security consoles, to support, to governance histories, to module hub, and you can control all the modules from here. Enable, disable, or manage them. Your feature matrix, your roadmaps, platform services, competitive intel, your role readiness, warehouse ops, cold chain ops, traceability ops, finance credit ops, integration ops, AI intelligence ops, closure. We have a ton of AI features which are add-ons precisely. You can always ask for them. Analytics hub, route control, compliance hub. Like for example, if you talk about route control, this is manual, but you can use our AI add-on to actually do the planning automatically in real time for always a user. Then warehouse hubs, fleet hub, cold chain hub, billing hub, platform hub, mobile syncs, privacy studio, data governance, tenant management, release train, vendor risk observability, access review, FinOps, API catalogs, DR drills, data residency, identity federation, as well as compliance calendar in full. And when you go to the integrations, like you have Splunk, Okta, PagerDuty, and Colibra, the most powerful in the business. So it's quite a powerful machine which you're talking about. It's not just a platform, it's a powerhouse itself. It can actually take care of a complete agricultural logistics. Is the most complete system available in the market right now, because we are the only one who has built it with such an accuracy and perfection. It's full end to end, and we can actually make it to your needs. We can customize your requirements. We can add up things as and when you require. And we have a lot of add-ons as well for AI, but anything else can be built and delivered, not a problem. After this, just spare a few minutes to watch our mobile app demo as well. Thank you so much for watching. Let's invite you to our Agrimove agricultural logistics system. This is the mobile app. Here you can see these are presented with multiple welcome screens. Then here we have All the logins, you can create your account with any of them, and you can use our demo credentials already pre-built. There's driver, farmer, buyer, transporter, warehouse, dispatcher, admin, finance, quality checks, and auditor. But primarily we're talking about a couple of the four. The first one is the driver. Once you log in inside the driver, you can see a great with the home screen of the driver with all the details in around all the active trips and all the incomes this week and on-time deliveries and everything. You can check multiple tabs here. You can see the active trip statuses, how things are going around. You can see the history of all the trips. You can check the viewport. You can go to payouts. You can look into the pod uploads, earnings, route intel, timeline, mission, safety standards, compliance, payouts, documents, and rest. Warehouse. All the inbound things and all the unloading things and the receive things, all the pickups, scanning, cycle counts, dock, history, this is a dispatcher, dispatch board, all the dispatch queues, all the dispatch controls, all the assignments, all the route controls, and again the dock, drivers, map,